Hello and welcome to ITIL4 Foundation Certification Training from First Career. This course is based upon Axelos ITIL4 Foundation materials, which are used under license from Axelos Limited, who have the rights. ITIL is a registered trademark of Axelos Limited, and we have used this under permission from them. The ITIL ATO logo is a trademark of Axelos Limited, and we have used it under permission of Axelos Limited. ITIL4 co-creates value and drives business success in the digital era. This is a time of exciting change full of opportunity. Digital services are helping organizations to compete in the modern digital economy. However, this is increasingly fast-paced and complex environment, which creates new challenges for organizations and professionals to manage. This new digital era is known as the fourth industrial revolution, which is characterized by the digital transformation of our world and the unavoidable interaction between humans, digital technologies, and physical assets. Organizations therefore need to be more agile, better equipped to be more agile, and better equipped to adapt what they do and ready to adopt new ways of working to succeed. ITIL Foundation has the building blocks of ITIL4 and step 1 of your ITIL4 journey. This has been designed as an introduction to ITIL4 and enables candidates to look at IT service management through an end-to-end operating model for the creation, delivery, and continual improvement of tech-enabled products and services. ITIL Foundation is for anyone working within the IT function who needs to understand the key concepts of IT and digital service delivery and is interested in helping the organization address new service management challenges. It is for professionals at the start of their ITIL4 journey or those looking to upgrade their existing ITIL knowledge. ITIL4 Foundation will help you to learn commonly used service management terms and concepts, understand how value streams increase speed and efficiency, discover how modern IT and digital service organizations work, understand how work contributes to organizational success, and learn how cultural or behavioral principles guide work that benefits the wider organization. Let us look at what will be covered in this training course. ITIL, we will be covering introduction to ITIL, then service management key concepts from ITIL4, the 4 dimensions of service management, the 7 ITIL guiding principles, the service value system, continual improvement in the SVS, the service value system, an overview of practices and the different categories of practices, which are the general management practices, the service management practices, and the technical management practices. Number 5, which is the service value system, includes number 4, the 7 guiding principles. It also includes number 6, continual improvement. It also includes number 7, practices. Apart from that, it includes 2 other components, namely the service value chain and governance, which will also be covered. And as we see the practices number 7, they are split into 3 categories: the general management, service management, and technical management. In total, we would be covering 15 practices, of which 7 would be covered in depth for the exam, and the remaining 8 would be covered superficially for the exam as part of the exam syllabus. The other core concept, apart from number 5, the service value system, is number 3, which is the 4 dimensions of service management. Together, these two form the core components of ITIL4. And apart from that, in the beginning, we'll look at the key concepts of service management. Introduction. Herein, we are going to understand a little bit about this course. It is generally 2 days in a classroom mode with assignments and group discussions wherever applicable. In an online mode, it will be examples and presentations. In this course, you will also receive practical exam guidance and tips. And some sample questions will be practiced from time to time. Exam may be scheduled anytime after the training is completed and you have done your preparation with some additional study if necessary. The exam is a 1-hour exam with 40 multiple choice questions, 26 correct to pass out of the 40, no negative marking, and it is invigilated. This certificate has become the IT industry's de facto professional qualification in the field of IT service management. At the foundation level, you will be able to get ITIL awareness. Let's look at the ITIL4 certification scheme. After the foundation level, you may do the managing professional level or achieve the strategic leader level. To achieve the MP or the managing professional level, you would have to complete 4 certifications as shown here. Similarly, for the strategic leader, you would have complete 2 certifications as shown below. Let us take a more visual look at these certifications. Here we are, ITIL Foundation. Above them sits the 4 certifications in order to reach the managing professional. And above the foundation sits 2 certifications to reach the strategic leader. It is also possible if you have a V3 certification, for example, if you are a V3 expert or not expert yet, but maybe having at least 17 credits instead of the 22 credits, then you could still write the MP transition exam and directly jump to ITIL4 managing professional. But those who have less than 17 credits from V3 ITIL would have to go through this direction, starting with foundation and do the other certification and reach the MP certification. Or the other route is to obtain at least 17 credits in V3 and do the transition exam and jump to the MP level directly. Which means there is no separate exam for MP or SL, but these are achievements based on the remaining certifications. Above these sit the ITIL Master, which is a different procedure. It is not just exam, but it is also interviews and assignments. The foundation exam performs testing at 2 levels, at the remember level and the understand level. The exam doesn't go into the application level or the analysis level or evaluation or creation levels. So it's basically recalling facts and basic concepts and to explain ideas and concepts. The learning objectives. As mentioned before in the table of contents, we're going to focus on 2 core components, the service value system and the 4 dimensions of service management. Within the service value system, we have continual improvement, we have the ITIL practices, we have the guiding principles, we also have governance and the service value chain, which are not shown here because they're part of the service value system anyway. Apart from that, we begin with the service management concepts first. The modern world requires definitely a different approach to service management because of IT enabling all businesses. Without IT, businesses are not able to perform as effectively as they should be. And because of the advancement of technologies, more and more businesses are trying to exploit these technologies in the best manner possible, like cloud computing, infrastructure as a service, machine learning, blockchain, artificial intelligence, robotic automation, etc. What is ITIL and what is ITIL4? It's a comprehensive guidance. It's not a prescription, but a comprehensive guidance for managing IT-enabled services in the digital economy. It provides an end-to-end digital operating model for the delivery and operation of IT-enabled products and services and enables IT teams to continue to play an important role in wider business strategy. It provides a holistic end-to-end approach that integrates frameworks such as Lean, Agile, DevOps, etc. History of ITIL. ITIL had its origins in the late 80s with a consortium of companies publishing best practices in the form of books. The number of books were reduced eventually in the early 2000s when V2 came up. And V3 was no longer books, but you have 5 books which were life cycle based. The service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. V2011 was a minor update of V3 with some improvements, additions. 2016 was when ITIL V3 Practitioner was released, a real practical approach for working professionals using ITIL. And 2019 is when ITIL4 Foundation was published initially in the first quarter and followed by the second half of the year with the remaining certifications. And 2020 in the third quarter is when the digital and IT strategy, the last of the certifications and guidance was published.